Here's how to turn a couple $100 into $1 million or more after 24 months in a labor business. Hi, I'm Duarte. I'm a business coach and consultant. I've been doing this for a couple of decades. This is what I know and I've learned. I've analyzed thousands of business, and I think you can benefit from it. The cleaning industry is one such industry where you can actually turn literally a couple $100 into millions after a short time, meaning 2 years or slightly more. And the way that you do it is like this. First, you set it up. So you make sure that you are in a niche that you want. You can start off in the residential industry like many do, although I would prefer that you can consider construction or even commercial cleaning. This industry has a lot of opportunity because, especially as baby boomers are getting older, they're retiring, not a lot of people are going into the labor businesses, and so there's a vacuum here. So if you're going into the construction site cleaning, you might need a small trailer to haul out garbage, but you know what? If you don't have one, put a hitch in a vehicle that you have and rent out the trailer from a rental company as you need it. So you're making money right off the bat. So all you need is just that to start your cleaning business. And once you have that, you look for contracts. Now get as many contracts as you can continuously. That's what you're hunting for every day. And as you build up your contracts, the business is going to be worth a lot more. Now, after a short time, you may want to hire an employee or two, etc., but you may not want, or you may not even have the skill to actually build that business to a business where there's 100 employees or more. And that's okay, because there's an alternative. The alternative is that you can actually micro-franchise that cleaning business of yours. And once you micro-franchise, what happens is that you are giving licensing permission to other people to do it in other geographical areas of any country or really around the world. Because micro-franchising is a way that you can scale up without having employees. Now, to put micro-franchising in place, you have to obviously have systems, right? Dashboard systems, etc. And you can definitely contact people like myself to do that. And it's not very hard. Obviously, for people that don't know how to do it, it is. But it is a process. But the amount of money that you can earn from micro-franchising is tremendous, because more people have become rich from franchising than any other form or structure of business. So once your business is up and running for about 18 to 24 months, you can definitely start that micro-franchising journey and start selling your franchises to other people. You're doing that because you already have a proven system in place so that people can just copy it. Now, micro-franchises can be sold for as little as $15,000 to $25,000, but that person is actually going to be having a blueprint of a steady business that they can start right away. They can actually start earning money right away. And that's valuable to a lot of people. You could also do car detailing. That's also cleaning. So there's many places and niches that you can find in the cleaning industry that is going to work for you in your particular area, wherever you live. Now, make sure that you obviously brand your business, create your brand, and differentiate between you and everybody else in your market area, and then just go to work and watch that business grow. As the contracts come in, that business is going to be worth a lot more, and once you put systems in place, it will easily triple, if not 5 times the value of what you're earning. So this is a very important way that you can get wealth. This is for you. Sometimes people put a lot of barriers in front of them, that they don't have enough money, they don't have this or that. This is an easy way that anyone can do. All you got to do is just do a little bit of work, make sure that you contact some potential clients. You do that every day, and you will see massive growth. Within 2 years, that business, especially when you micro-franchise it, will be worth more than $1 million. Now, there are many such opportunities, and if you like this kind of content, please follow me. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.